Well, good morning everyone. The time has come. It's a nice morning. We're gonna finally give this 4D stuff a try. So I got my 4D prop on there, got the ESC programmed with some curves that Mostek gave me. I might need to adjust them a little bit, but we're gonna try it and see. I'm gonna fly it in 3D here for a second just to make sure that curve's all right, and then we'll try the 4D. Let's see what happens. That looks all right. Just got to get used to it a little bit. All right, now I'm going to go into my first. This is my first 4D curve, which I don't think I have enough power on it. It doesn't seem like anyway. Yeah, let me land and adjust that a little bit. I don't know, Al might be flying 3S and I'm only flying 2S, so I think I'm going to make my curve the same as my other curve. Let me try that and see what happens. We'll adjust this curve up a little bit. I'm going to leave the 3D part the same, I think, but let's see. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 6. 5 is 0. 6 is going to be 25. I'll make that 50. Make this 75. And we'll make this 100. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same, I think, for my other curve. Let me do that. And let's see, this is going to be 25, 50, 75, and 100. Alright, that keeps my 3D curve the same all the way around, so we'll see what happens here. Alright, let's try that and see what we got. That's just the regular 3D curve again. Alright, that's okay. And now I'm going to switch into the, this is the 4D number 1 curve. So now I've got my full power on the 3D part, which I kind of like. But I may have to change all this. Alright, now let's just take it way up and see if I can do anything with the 4D. No, it doesn't seem to have enough power. Didn't want to hold it up there. So let me go to my number 2 curve. Let's try that and see. Maybe I'm not doing something right here. I'm not sure. Let's try the 4D now. Let me go up. Go down. Oh yeah. It's not holding it enough though. That's different. I gotta remember to stay on that halfway up is the other way around. Yeah, I don't have enough in there, so let me land again. I am going to put my 4D curve. I'm going to make that a straight curve right now and just see how it goes. Let's see, this would be 100. Now let's do it straight for a second. 100. This is going to be 75. This is going to be 50. This is going to be 25. Alright, that gives us straight there. And let me do this one straight too for now. And then I may have to play around with that. Minus 100. 75. 50. 25. Okay. That's that. Let me try that and see how that goes. Okay, so I'm back in 3D, regular 3D. Alright, so that's regular 3D. Now let me put it in
medium rate.
Okay, that's my first 4D, so let's see how that goes. Let me go up and oh yeah, oh wow. That's different. It is holding up there though, but it's different. Holy crap, that's going to take a little getting used to. Let's try again. Oh, there we go. See, I went down. I cut my throttle too much. This is going to take a lot of getting used to go to half stick. That may be where you got to adjust the curves just right. And that didn't hold it up there. That might be me though, just not getting it right. Let's just try again. Oh yeah. I can see maybe I might have to go to 3S on the 4D. I'm not sure. Might not have enough oomph. Well, this might not be the right propeller either. I think this is an 8. I might need a 9 for the 2S. I'm not sure, but let's see what happens here again. Yeah, see, if I don't get on it right away, I can see where you need it like almost vertical. Let me see. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, cool. I can see you got to kind of play with it a little bit. Al told me he said you don't want to load it up too much on reverse because it acts a little weird, so maybe I've got to pulse it like that, like he was talking about. Like I do see him do that in his videos. Let's try it again. Definitely going to take a little getting used to. Let's try it again here. Oh yeah, it definitely seems to like the pulsing better. But I will definitely it's going to take a little bit of setup, I think, to do this the right way, but wow, it'll be a cool learning journey. Let's just try one more time, then I can feel my battery getting a little weak. Yeah, all right. Well, I think it's that was a semi-successful test for the first time. Let me land her because the battery's probably getting down a little bit. There you have it. Try number 1. Got a long ways to go, but I will keep videoing and showing you my successes or failures and see how it goes. Alright guys, thanks for watching.